Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word undismayed. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The soldiers remained undismayed even in the face of overwhelming odds. The word undismayed means not discouraged or disheartened, showing resilience and steadfastness in the face of challenges or difficult circumstances. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.